Did you know that Canva can be a great way on making logos, designing social media platforms, advertising, and making professional presentation for your business, schools, or YouTube videos? In this video, I'm going to teach you the basics in making a presentation in Canva. So just go to the Canva website and click presentation. And as you can see, this is our main page and this is the template. When you go to here, you could choose anything you want and get their elements. And this section is about elements if you want line, shapes, or other items for designing your presentation. And this item is where you upload your media like videos, image, GIF, or audio. Now this text section is where you add heading, subheading, or a little bit of body text, and you could resize it using this. You can change the font, you can change the color, you could make it slant, you can make it bold, change some indentions, make it as a bullet point. You could edit the letter or line spacing or change the anchor effect. You could put some effects where the shadow, lift, neon, glitch, and you could also curve it. And also you can animate the text in different motions. And when you click more, you can underline, you can uppercase, you can hypertext, you could lock or duplicate the text. And you could also use their free stock image in the photo section. Then in the video section, you could record yourself or get free stock videos. And in the background section is where you get free backgrounds from Canva itself. And this chart is essential when you're making business analysis. And they have an amazing feature called Draw Beta. And here you could select different colors, transparency, size from pen, marker, glow pen, and highlighter. So I choose pen and I put my signature on, and that's good. In the folders, you could use this to create folder, all your designs, all your purchases, your favorite elements, and created folders. So for example, you want to add an image and you could edit that image filters, adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, and choose a lot of filters. And you could also crop the image using the crop tool. You could flip the image horizontally or vertically. And the same as text, you could also animate their motions. You could add pages. You could change the color of the page, just click the page, go to this section, or you could customize your own color preference. You could present your own page, just like this, and we have here. And finally, you could download your presentation in a lot of different forms and choose your file type, whether PNG, JPEG, PDF, standards, etc. And you could choose specific pages to print and just click download. So that is my basic and complete tutorial for beginners on how to use Canva. So I hope you have some takeaways and see you again.